Dragon Medical Practice Edition 4 Installation Services. We install and configure Dragon for you. Instead of trying to figure out why Dragon won't install or how to fix an error message, let one of our certified technicians do it for you. We'll make sure that your software is installed and configured properly. Why certified e-support? We're experts who have performed thousands of Dragon installs. We'll save you time and hassle by working quickly and staying out of the way. You get to take advantage of your new software as soon as possible, usually in less than an hour. How does it work? Once you schedule your appointment, we'll contact your office, remote into your workstation, and install Dragon. All you need to do is have someone available who can connect us to your computer. We complete the install while you spend valuable time with your patients. If you have multiple computers that need Dragon installed, let us know, and we'll recommend the appropriate level of service. Training is included. Once Dragon is installed, you can schedule your first of 3 training sessions, which move from basic usage to advanced functionality. How do I get started? Visit our certified e-support website and sign up for our Train Me package. This single-user service provides you with installation assistance, 1 year of technical support, and 3 Dragon medical training sessions. After sign-up, we'll send you an email with everything you need to know, including how to schedule your first appointment. Please see the description below for the link to our Train Me service.